All right, friends and neighbors, I'm going to take a couple minutes to get you acclimated to what happens next. Okay, so obviously you started here, and then now we're over here on our enrollment page. Now, I have a video here currently. This is what you're seeing, but I'm going to update it. I want to update the video because we updated some of our options on this page, so this video is a little bit irrelevant. So we're going to do this again, right? All right, so basically, what you're going to see on this page is the video that we're making right now. Okay, that's where you are. Now we're going to come down here, and this is we've integrated our Facebook page, so we got some of our most recent Facebook posts right here. All right, and then we're going to go down here, and we're going to scroll over here, and then also you have some options to watch listen. I don't want you to take my word for it. I want you to watch this video, the sneak peek. We got a sneak peek 1, and we got a sneak peek 2. And basically all we did was we turned on the screen recorder and we ran the VMAX indicator. I don't remember if we ran on the 1, 10, or 30-second time frame. But we ran it for like 15, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, an hour. And then we sped that up. So you don't have to watch it for an hour. You can watch it for 7 minutes. You can watch it for 11 minutes, I think, are the 2 time frames that we have. And you can see the signals pop up. And you can decide for yourself. Nothing hand-picked, right? It just runs. So there you go. Watch that. And then we've got this video here, our return on investment conversation. Because we are going to ask you to invest in yourself. And then we're gonna benefit from that somewhat as well, right? That's how business works. So here you're gonna come down through here, and you've got your 5-year option with mentoring, and you've got your 5-year option with just the video library. You've got 3-year with mentoring, and then you've got 3-year with the library. Okay, and then this is the best value. This is what I'm gonna recommend to you. This is our 2-year license with a 1-year bonus, including mentoring and the library. Okay, so you're gonna get 3 years here. This is the best value, and then we got a 1 year if you can't swing the 2-year. Now this is gonna be through your standard PayPal, Venmo, credit, debit, or a credit-based pay later. Okay, if you have to do pay later, maybe you should really consider whether trading is the right thing for you. Because let me tell you right now, if you're looking for your rent money this month or next month, trading is not the way to get it. I don't care what anybody else tells you. That pressure, that financial pressure, will work against your psychology, and it will make you fail. Okay, so I would prefer that you don't use our system to fail if you're already that pressed against the wall. So the pay now, or the pay later option is here, but it is credit based. And then last ditch effort again, this is a no credit based pay over time option, no credit check required. And then we've got all the same packages. So let me tell you this. This may be you. This may be you. You might have gotten pressed up against the wall, but don't think that this is a this month or next month solution. That's one of the reasons why we don't even offer less than a 1-year license. Okay, that doesn't mean you're not going to be able to see success in a year. No, it does not mean that. What it means is you have to give yourself breathing room. Okay, you have to give yourself breathing room because the market fluctuates. And you have to learn to control your emotions in conjunction with the market. And that's not something you're likely to do immediately if you're pressed against the wall. Now, if you have no pressure, you're like, yeah, I already got my side hustle going. I got my day job. That handles things, but I want to change this. Okay, so we're going to invest in you, and we're going to go 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 year, 5 years. Okay, actually, we're going to go 1 year, 2 year, which is actually, we're going to go 1 year, 3 year, and 5 years. We're going to make those commitments. I've been at this for 13 years. Okay, and I love it. I love it because I don't have to leave the house, and I can tap into Jeff Bezos' money. I can check into Larry Ellison's money. I can tap into George Soros' money. I can tap into JP Morgan's money. That's what we're going to teach you to do. We're going to teach you to tap into the money that's already there. And we're going to make a commitment to you over the long term to do that. All right, now I want to show you something else. I want to show you this. I'll go over here to the mentoring page, and we're going to go over here down to this little corner. There he is, right here. This guy right here, okay? This is our AI. So what I want you to do is, whether or not you enroll now or whether you don't enroll, I want you to take this trader strength assessment so that we can get you so we can show you what you need to work on, right? And now we're going to go over here, and you can talk to William here. Well, I'm going to talk to William. Let's see what it says.
Hi, I'm William. I will quickly guide you through your 100% free, personalized trader strength assessment. This is the first step you'll take to help you improve your trading results and trade with confidence, not confusion.
Hi, William. My name is Liam. Can you tell me if sentiment is considered a leading or lagging indicator?
Hi, Liam. It's great to meet you. I hear you're asking about whether sentiment is a leading or lagging indicator. Let me see what I can find out for you. Sentiment trading is seen as a leading indicator because it tries to assess market psychology and possible turning points before they fully happen, giving traders an early advantage compared to lagging indicators that confirm trends after they begin.
Okay, thanks, William. What is the most popular lagging indicator in the marketplace?
You're welcome, Liam. I understand you're now asking about the most popular lagging indicator. The moving average is the most popular lagging indicator, commonly used to confirm trends and smooth price data for better analysis.
Why is it considered a lagging indicator?
Why the moving average is considered a lagging indicator? The moving average relies on past price data and smooths out fluctuations. So it confirms trends only after they have started, following the price action, instead of predicting future movements.
So is it possible to make a trade move before the move using a lagging indicator?
I see you're asking if it's possible to anticipate market moves using a lagging indicator. Lagging indicators typically confirm trends only after they have begun, so they usually cannot predict trade moves beforehand. However, using them alongside leading indicators or analyzing price action can help you enter trades earlier.
Thank you, I'm done.
Chat with you. If you ever want to work on your trading mindset more or look into other topics, feel free to reach out. Wishing you a wonderful day.
Okay, my friends, so you see that we've built that AI tool into our site under the mentoring. So whether or not you actually get involved with us or not, we want to bring value to you, okay? Because that's just something that I think is important. You know, the bottom line is, those of you who know who Zig Ziglar was, you know his. I'm from that era, right? I'm from that era when he was the guy. And the one thing he used to say is the best way for you to get what you want is to help other people get what they want. So I know that you want security. I know that you want a better trading strategy. I know that you want to be able to provide for your family. I want the same thing, so I want to help you. Now, one way that I can do that is to, for us to do a value exchange I want to let you use the VMAX for 3 or 5 years, and I'm going to mentor you, or I'm going to let you have access to our video library for 3 or 5 years, and that will improve you. That will improve your odds of success in the markets. We can do that, or you can come back and you can talk with William. We put that here, and he'll scour the AI world, and he'll find out stuff, and he'll give you generalized information. But we want you to take that trader strength assessment, so no matter what you do, you know where you stand. Okay. All right. So there we go. You might have to refresh the page when you come over to the mentoring page to get William to pop up here. That may be it. That may be what you need to do. I'm not sure. If you don't see William there, go ahead and refresh the page. He's only on the mentoring page. Once you get him active, he stays on every page. Enrollment is where you are, and that's where you should continue. I would encourage you to get involved. We've worked really hard on this. We've actually updated the Market Whisperer recently to take into consideration the AI revolution, right? Because you hear all this about these AI trading. Now, you might, if you talk to William, you're going to find out that AI isn't as reliable. You can't just buy an AI trading system unless you're, JP Morgan or, Magellan or some big fund you've got. Because these public, open, shared systems don't have access to the same data that they can pay for, and then they can build their system, and now you got to trade against that system. So we revamped the VMAX to take into consideration things like high frequency trades. It's got a cooling off period so that your what's the word? Not serotonin. Your dopamine levels can come down. That's built in. We've revamped the whole thing so that we're future proofing the system. So we're future proofing your future. All right, let's do this. My apologies for any difficulties that I recently had a significant surgery about 6 months ago. I'm still recuperating from it, but guess what? I'm still trading using the VMAX. If that's not the best testimonial you've ever heard, because I built the system, and I worked on the system, and I refined the system, and even though I still can't move one side of my face, I can still trade with the VMAX. So I don't care what your past experience has been, the VMAX will change everything. Talk to you soon.